What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create Printful product templates. So if you're interested in doing that, then this is going to be a great video for you because I'm going to show you from start to finish as a complete beginner how you can create product templates using Printful. So Printful is a print-on-demand service that you can use to design t-shirts and to sell them as well. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to Printful and we're going to set this up. Alright. So if you don't have an account yet, make sure you go ahead and simply sign up for an account. And then once you're signed in, you should be able to find product templates over here in the menu bar. If you click on product templates, it will send you over to the product templates, of course. Makes sense, right? So basically how this works is that you choose a product. So you take your pick from our catalog, you then design a product template. So make your own or try our sample designs, and you can then add products to your store or order for yourself. Alright, so if you scroll down, you should be able to find this right there, which says create your first product template. So I assume that you've not done this before, so it should say create your first product template. So if you click right there, you can get started. Now, of course, while creating a product template, you need to choose a product. So there are a ton of products available on this website. So for example, we've got men's clothing, we've got women's clothing, we've got kids and youth, we've got hats, we've got accessories, home and living, and collections as well. Now you can see all of the different products over here. So if you launch these drop-down menus, you'll find pretty much every single product that's available on here. So you can do that. But for this video, let me just choose a random product. I'll go with a man t-shirt. So click on t-shirts, and you then also get the option to choose specific t-shirts. Now you can filter these by most popular, by new, by highest rated, or the price. So let's say that I want to use a bestseller. I would then click on the t-shirt, just like that. And this is where you can now start designing your product template. So if we scroll down, we'll see what's available. So this one is kind of boring. There are not like that many colors. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back, t-shirts. I'm going to go with this one. Seems a bit more interesting. So this is where you can start designing. So right here, you can start off by choosing a color and you can add multiple colors. So for example, if I want a black t-shirt, I also want a light blue one and also want a heather mint one. What you do is you simply click on them to select them, and they will then show up right here under the image, under your design. So this is then the available models. Now what you can do is start designing it. So like I said, in order to get started, you can go to design and you can upload files. So for example, if you would like to add a file over here, you can then choose file and you can then click on upload. And you can then upload that specific file that you want to add to your design. Now, I'm not sure if I have any, let's say I want to add this, or maybe the Printful logo. You then select that and it will start uploading. Now, once you've got it uploaded, let's see, click on the file to continue. It's still uploading, but once you've got it uploaded, you can click and it will then show up on your shirt, which I'll show you guys right now. So I'm going to click choose. It's then going to upload on here as well, and you then have the opportunity to make this smaller or bigger by simply using one of these corners and then dragging it like this. Now this doesn't look great because the background is also black. So if I go back to product and I select, let's say, this color, it should already look pretty decent. Maybe this one, white. Alright, so this is now what it looks like. And this is pretty basic. Now let's say that you don't want to use your own image, but you want to use already available clip art. You can click right there and you can use all of these symbols. So yeah, kind of like the dollar sign. So if you then select that, you can start using it right away. So you can once again make this bigger by doing this. Make sure that it fits in the print area so that you can get the best result. And this pretty much gives you the option to take a look at all the designs. So as of right now, this is our product template, but we can customize this even further. So you can choose back, you can choose front, outside label, inside label, and both sleeves. So you can add designs on here. Now you can not only add files, you can also add text. So if you click over here, add text, you can then type whatever you want to add. So for example, let's say I want to add money for whatever reason. This is just going to be a random design, guys. Don't pay too much attention to the actual design. I just want to show you how you can do it, right? So this is how you can add text. You can change the font right there. Yep, there we go. You can also change the text color, maybe make it white. You can use shadow. So maybe you want some black shadow, you can then do that. You can change letter spacing, text size. You can pretty much customize everything, all right? So if I want this to change, I can also use some arc like that. All right, that's not too bad. So yeah, you can pretty much customize everything on here, guys. So you can use grid if you want to, so that you can see the printing area, which I recommend doing. You can zoom in to see what it looks like, and you can pretty much start customizing all of this stuff. Now you can also go to the back, and this works exactly the same. So you can choose files, add text, and add clip art. For example, if you want to add a king icon, a crown, you then click right there. You pretty much make it bigger by using one of these corners, just like that. You can change the color as well to white, and there you go. So you guys can see that this is actually pretty simple to do. You can use this drag and drop edit system to create your designs. It's pretty simple. Anyone can do it, especially if you're a beginner. It's not that hard, and you can just get going right away. Now once you're done, once you like what you've just made, what you can do, let me change the color real quick. Let's make this white, it looks better. Just like that. Once you're done, you can click on continue. You can then review it. You can take a look at all the different product colors right there. You can add sizes. So maybe you want to sell this or order this in these sizes. You add all of them, and then all you need to do to save your product template is click right there. And there we go, product template created. And that's how you can create a product template on Printful. As you can see right there, it will then show up. You can view it. You can add to store, make orders, and all of that good stuff over here. Now let's say that you want to edit the product template after you've created it. All you need to do is pretty much click right here, edit product template, and you can then start editing it again and go into review to change the template. You can also duplicate it right there or delete the template by clicking on one of these buttons. It's pretty simple and pretty easy. Now, as you can see right there, this product is starting from €11.25, so this is pretty cheap. And in order to add this to your store, you need to add a store first, or you can simply make an order just like that, and you can then get going. So right now I've created this, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's how you can set up a template. If you appreciate this video, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like. I'm not selling you guys anything, so I would really appreciate a like on the video. Subscribe for more, let me know if you have questions, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.